Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2008 Chevy Impala. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave the comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing we are going to do is start our vehicle. Then we're going to turn our AC on. You want to make sure that orange light is on. Turn your blower all the way up. And make sure your temperature is all the way to the coldest setting. Then pop your hood. Now we need to take the cap off from our low pressure port, which is located right back here. So we're just going to unscrew this cap right here, set that somewhere safe. Now we're going to take our recharge hose here and we're just going to attach it to that port. So you're just going to fit it onto the port there and then press it until it clicks like that. It should stay attached by itself. Now we can see we've got good steady pressure in here. Although it is a little bit low, I'd like to see it up around 40-45 psi. If your system is really low, like down here in the white, your AC will not work at all. And if you hear a clicking sound every once in a while and your needle is going down and then coming back up, and you hear a click every time the needle changes direction, that means your refrigerant is really low. So to add refrigerant to the system, we're just going to squeeze this trigger here and then oscillate the can between 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock. You'll notice when the trigger is depressed, the needle will not be reading anything but 0. And when you let go of the trigger, it will take a pressure reading, just like that. So we want to just squeeze the trigger and oscillate the can between 3 and 12 every few seconds. This just allows the compressor to draw refrigerant into the system. And you're going to do this as long as it takes to fill the system up to about 40-45 psi. You want to go off from a gauge and stop when you get to that point. You don't want to overfill the system, and if you just put in a full can regardless of the gauge here, you can ruin your system. Your AC will not get colder by filling it up here into the yellow and into the red. That will ruin your system. When you're done, to remove this fitting, all you need to do is pull on this ring and it'll just come right off. Then you can replace your cap and you should have good cold AC again. So if this video is helpful to you, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.